how to lock the screen on Madoka controller to prevent, for example, the kids playing with it. So what you need to do, at the moment, as you can see, I can press whatever I like and set whatever I like. If you want to lock this screen, you go to your app, go to settings. Now you scroll down to function lock, click on it, and then you want to lock menu button, you want to lock set point, and you want to lock your system on off. At this point, nothing will work. And the on off button if you want to unlock it, just simply go to the same screen and unlock everything. And now it's operational. You can lock all different parts of the functions as you desire. I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Marek Początek from MTP Cooling. Thank you for watching.